US index this week has dropped in value, and we can see that the price formed a bearish breakout here on a Wednesday. The price reached 104.05 and the price bounced from the support level, reaching a first resistance level, which is here 104.83. Weekly time frame shows us a bearish breakout below 104.94, reaching all the way to 104.05, the first and strong monthly support level. Monthly time frame shows us a pretty strong bearish candle this month. We can see that here, where the price stopped at the right strong support level 104.05. Now, the US index currently was inside the bullish strength and then forming this month a strong bearish candle. We have 1.5 week until this month closes, so we will see how this candle closes, which will be indication for us where the price could move in the next month. And very important level for the price is this one here, 104.05, a pretty strong support level that needs to hold for the price in order to prevent the price from falling even more down, which means going all the way down to here, which is the first level, 103.00. Weekly time frame shows us a bearish breakout, which means the price should continue to fall down even more. A very important level is this one here, that needs to hold on the weekly time frame. We'll see how the next week will close, but if the price returns back up above 105, this will be indication of the failed bearish breakout, pointing for the price that it will move in the opposite direction. That means moving to the higher price levels. Daily time frame shows us a bearish breakout that has been confirmed below 104.94, and I will make this 105 as a round number, which should be, and we will see what happens around this price level. Will the price return back up, or it will continue to fall down? So in front of the US index, it is very important to see how the price behaves. Will the price go above, or will the price go below? Wherever the price goes and makes a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, this will be indication for the further direction of the price. So currently I would like to see where the price makes a breakout or the upper side or to the downside. It will be pointing where the price will go in the future. But for now, what I can see currently, it is pointing me that the price should drop down even more. So we'll see what happens around this area, this resistance line and this support line. So there is no conclusion right now for the US index. This should be watched on the daily basis around this very important and critical levels for the price. So if there is any breakout happening and also is any decision for the price, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.